Hello everyone, this is Mr. Chrome Stallion. So recently I have purchased a motorcycle accessories. So let's have a look. It's a TPMS. In this video I'll be explaining what exactly TPMS is, why do you need it, how this unit works, installation and mounting process. So basically it's an electronic safety system in your vehicle that monitors the air pressure inside your tires and alerts you when the pressure drops dangerously low. When the system detects a significantly underinflated tire, it triggers a specific warning light in your instrument cluster. Now let's have a look what we get inside this box. So these are the few things that you will be getting inside the box. This is the display module. These are the two sensors, the front wheel sensor and the rear wheel sensor. The rear wheel is just went down a bit. Okay, one spanner, two locking nuts and one mounting clamp. So this mounting clamp can be used to mount your display module on your handlebar or any part of your accessory mounting point. So all you have to do is you have to connect these power cable to your ignition, and the front wheel sensor will be mounted on the wall stem of your front wheel, and same goes for the rear wheel. Okay, so there are a number of TPMS you get in the market. Those are of different make and model, of different sizes. So basically I'm talking about the two-wheeler TPMS. Also get some of the TPMS systems which are battery powered, so you need to charge them after a certain period of time. And this one is basically ignition powered. That means it will work on the 12-volt supply of your vehicle's battery. Okay, so I'll just switch this on with a temporary power supply and I'll show you. So here I'm using a 12-volt adapter to power this up. Now if you take a closer look, you can see the middle one is the voltage of a vehicle. You can say it is an additional feature in this TPMS. You can also get a few models of the TPMS where you have clock or sometimes just the tire pressure. So the upper two digits will mention your tire pressure in the front wheel. You can set it to PSI or bar pressure unit. So the smaller digits on the upper right corner, those are the temperature of your front tire. Similarly, these two digits at the bottom right corner, these are the tire pressure for the rear wheel, and this will be the temperature. So with this switch you can simply change the units and the warning signal or the warning temperature or pressure where you are expecting the TPMS should be giving you the warning. So the system will be powered by your ignition key. As soon as you switch off the key, the system will go off, and if you switch on the key, this is what it should look like. So let's get down to the bike and I'll show you where we can mount this system. Before that, does TPMS comes as a factory fitted equipment? Yes, it does. A number of motorcycles, notably in sub 500cc, the TPS, Apache, RTR and RR 310 models on the domestic variants. And for the premium motorcycles, you can expect it on a Triumph Tiger 900, the Rally Pro and the GT variants, the BMW R1300 GS, GS Adventure, the BMW S1000RR and Triumph Tiger 1200. For these models I mentioned, they come as a standard equipment. So TPMS also comes as an OEM accessory upgrade, notably for Triumph Street 77765, BMW F900 GS and many more. So all you need to do is buy it as an accessory while purchasing the motorcycle. So do you know which was the first motorcycle to come with an TPMS? I'll let you know at the end of this video. So this is not the first time I'll be installing the TPMS, as back in 2018, 8 years ago, I did install it on my Hero Honda Passion, right in between the speedo and the fuel gauge, but unfortunately some great personality stole the display module and left the sensors on the wheel.
कैसे लोग रहते हैं यार यहाँ पर?
Like even today I still have the question, what in the world he must have done with that display module, leaving behind the sensors for me. So talking about the fitment on this motorcycle, I'm planning to mount this in between the speedo and the tachometer over here, right beneath the tripod. The wiring will go all the way behind this gap in between here. Also, if we check the accessory mount, you can simply mount it over here or any part of the handlebar, but I'm not going to use it anyway. Instead, I have a solution that I'll be sharing with you guys in the next video. So stay tuned for part 2. Till then, do like, share and subscribe.